as an exhibitor, have the chance to promote some special offers during Interzoo.digital. We call these special offers Goodie Bags. All Goodie Bags are listed in the Goodie Bag section and are ready to be clicked by visitors. Every click will be tracked and stored in your back office in real time so that you have a nice overview and the possibility to get in touch with that interested user right away and still during the live event. You can now click as a user on the logo to get directly to the exhibitor detail page, or you can just click on this Go to Deal where you will be redirected to the specific promo landing page. With the text, you have the chance to explain your special deal, and you can deliver the graphics accordingly so that there is a nice overview for all visitors.